want to know what my favorite product is? If you know me, you probably already have an idea, but I can't wait to share with you, okay? Hey y'all, if you don't know me, my name's Tracy Hyde. I am a Jordan Essentials consultant, also known as Jordy. We have some amazing products that will bring you some comfort, ease some feelings, maybe pick your feelings up for you if you need. But one of my favorite, this is my very favorite, okay? Not just one, but my very favorite product. It's called Helio, okay? Helio Recover and Restore, as it says on the bottle. It is an absolutely, for me, it was like world stopping, okay? Struggled for months with some significant pain in my neck and in my shoulder. For months. Like, I'm talking, by the time I got to this, it was nearly a year. I know that sounds really, really awful. They couldn't figure it out. I did physical therapy. They said, listen, they said it was bicep tendonitis. I do not doubt that my bicep was not happy, but a year and a half later, I find out it was all referred pain from a pinched nerve. So let me tell you my story. Helio saved my sanity, found rest for me. I would go to bed and just be terrified to go to bed. Heating pad, ice packs, all the things, nothing brought me relief at all. Pain medicine, muscle relaxers, injections, nothing lasted, nothing helped. Nothing kept it gone. 2 days of massages with Helio, and I was able to go to bed without fear that I would not fall asleep, that I would not stay asleep for the most part. Look, perimenopause, let's go. If you're there, you know what I'm talking about. Hormones being what they are, they don't let us stay asleep sometimes. But that aside, I wasn't waking up because of the pain I was in. So this right here, this beauty right here brought me comfort, brought me relief. So guess what? So it's my favorite. So look, I get it in all the things it's available in. This girl is not going without, I'm not going anywhere without Helio. I'm not. The stick stays in my purse. The spray and the bath salt stay in my bathroom. This goes wherever I go. Okay, if I'm sitting at the kitchen table and my neck cramps or my shoulder starts to spasm, I'm getting a little dab of it on my finger and I am rubbing it in. I'm getting it in there, okay? Now, of course, when I soak in the tub, I'm not getting this on my shoulder because my tub isn't that big, let's be real. However, it has helped me tremendously when I've overdone it out in the garden or out pulling weeds or doing yard work. My legs are like, what are you doing? Indeed, absolutely. This will do the same thing. Great little, just a spray. Don't touch me, but spray this on there. I'm not getting yuck on my hands from it. Nobody, we can just spray it on there and continue about our time, right? We don't have to worry about finding a bathroom so that we can wash our hands off, can spray it on and we're good to go, right? Love that. Then there's the stick. Yep, same thing. This baby helps. I have 2 torn tendons in my ankle, well, my Achilles, and another tendon that wraps around my foot. And we've done PT on them, have strengthened it. It's great, but every once in a while that thing swells up so bad. So this I wrap around my ankle and I rub on. I also put it on my knee when I need to. But also the Dead Sea salts are great for when my feet are kicked up. They're having issues. I can soak my feet in this. The swelling goes down, the pain goes down. I'm not saying that it's all gonna work exactly like it works for me, for you, but I would love to help you try it out. So here's my suggestion, okay? So we're getting to the end of this video. If you would like a sample of this, in the first comment below, there's a way that you can reach out to me. I think you should text me or message me on Facebook and let me know that you'd like to try a sample. I would be happy to send you a couple of little sample containers with Helio in it so that you can see if it will help you. Or maybe you want to try the Helio Dead Sea Salts for a foot soak and see if that helps you too. I will do that. I would be happy to do that because I never would have known if my friend hadn't sent me a sample. Okay, so hopefully this video has brought you some joy. Thanks for hanging out with me. If it did, give me a like and share with anybody that you know might need some Helio in their life. Maybe it's you, but maybe it's your bestie, or maybe it's your mom, or maybe it's your sister, something. I don't know, someone, your uncle, your brother, whoever, right? They're out there that need it. So share with them. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm still working towards that 500, so let's get there. So hit that subscribe button and then do me one last favor. Go and watch another video. Thanks so much. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day and week. I will see you again. Bye.